every year we celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, that is National Unity Day, in respect to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was also known as the Iron Man of India. This day is celebrated every year as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas because he is a person, he is a leader, he is the visionary who brought all the states of India, of our nation, together. That is why it is called National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, because he is a person who brought princely state after independence of India. There were a lot of states, princely states they were called, more than 500. So all these states were brought together by his vision. Okay, and that is how we now have 29 states in India. Earlier there were around 500 more princely states. So it is his vision, irrespective of language barriers, culture, religion. He has brought whole of the India together, and in that respect, we are celebrating this day. That is his birth anniversary as the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas and the National Unity Day. Also, in respect to in giving respect to the Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, world largest statue of 182 meters, in his respect, due respect to him, was built in 2018 in Gujarat, and it is given a name of Unity Statue. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.